Hi, this is Nissim. Today we're going to do a quick tip for ComfyUI about refreshing the models, LoRa, etc. Usually when you have a new model, you want to see it immediately. So for example here, I have the checkpoint, and I want to load my model ALB, but it's not existing in the list. I don't have it here. Now, if I go to, I will show you the model itself. This is the model, and this is the list of my models. Now, usually, I need just to move it to this folder. And now I want to see it, but I don't see it. It's not still here. So instead, I will just click on R, which is refresh, and you will see here it's updating. Or go to Workflow, Edit, and Refresh Nodes, okay? Which is the same action. Now, if I will go here, I will do ALB, I will see my model, okay? Instead of going to the manager and do restart, you can just click R, and that's it. That's it. Thank you very much. Spread the word by subscribe and like. Have a great day. Bye.